considered, okay, people like it, but now it is the view, but not the like. So therefore, it is not moving.
Yes, sir.
I have received this information from YouTube.
Yes, viewers are not liking it, sir. They are just learning from it.
Yeah, you
They're
have to
making
tell
it a note.
you have to tell the students.
Sir, it
Please,
is
you
better if
click the
they.
like. Otherwise,
So then they will comment also. Are we ready to take the comments?
why not? Everything is free. I have to understand. I have to study.
Yes, sir. So they're making notes out of that.
So they are taking the notes from our YouTube video.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
they
sir.
have to like it. What is the problem if you click the like?
Yes, sir. I don't know, like, sir, which viewer is watching. I only know that, okay, they are watching. These many people are watching, and this is the purpose.
Otherwise, YouTube has this problem. YouTube has its own data mining. Na? In the data mining, this is clear. That is, you have this number of YouTubers and the range of the views and range of the likes is this. That means your YouTube is not useful. Okay, Kavita, please you read cross tabulation.
Cross-tabulation, also known as contingency table analysis, is a statistical technique used to examine the relationship between two or more categorical variables. It provides a way to analyze the data by organizing it into a table format that displays the frequency distribution of the variables category and their intersections. The primary goal of cross-tabulation is to determine if there is a relationship or association between the variables being analyzed. It helps identify patterns, trends, or dependencies that may exist in the data. By examining the distribution of frequencies across the categories, you can gain insights into how the variables interact with each other. Assumption, independence. The observations within each cell of the contingency table are assumed to be independent of each other. In other words, the presence or absence of one variable does not affect the distribution of other variables. Categorical variables. Cross-tabulation is suitable for analyzing categorical variables where each variable consists of discrete categories or groups. These variables can be nominal or ordinal in nature. Random sampling. The data used to cross-tabulation analysis should be ideally be obtained through random sampling to ensure that the results are representative of the population. Sir,
Hello, as ये फाड़ा
Yes, sir.
This random sampling is not the issue now, because random sampling follows the normal distribution.
Achha, sir, this was the assumption, sir. Okay, I'll remove it, sir.
Random sampling is not appropriate.
Okay. Let me remove it.
Independence and categorical, okay, that is okay.
Okay, sir. Then there is analysis of data, sir.
Achha, whether you have understood why it is independent?
Sir, if you give an example and it is very suitable for me, sir.
For example, the different countries are there and the people have different types of eye color. Okay, so eye color and the countries, they are not correlated with each other. So one is not affecting other one. Okay, but you can study, that is whether there is any association or not. If it is a dependent, then your data will be the paired observation. But this is not the paired observation. This is the independence. This is clear now.
Sir, paired observation to sir experimental research design paired observation.
That is not accepted. Here it is the written clearly, that is the presence or absence of one variable does not affect the distribution of the other variable. So what is the different type of countries and people have different types of color, eye colors.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does it mean that is the countries will affect the eye color or eye color affects the countries? No.
No, sir. This is the genetically the pigment depend on the pigment of the
Yeah.
retina.
So that is your logic. But whenever you have noticed this type of data, then you have to think that is the two variables that will be independent in nature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Next,
Sir,
Farah.
Yes, sir.
analysis of the data. Chi-square test. The chi-square test is commonly applied to cross-tabulated data to determine if there is a significant association between the variables. It calculates the expected frequencies under the assumption of independence and compares them with the observed frequency.
Is
Measures
it
of
clear now?
Yes, sir.
Expected frequency and the observed frequency.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Measures of association. Several measures such as high coefficient, Cramer's V, and contingency coefficient can quantify the strength and direction of the relationship between the variables. These measures help determine the degree of association beyond the statistical significance. Sir, high coefficients are this type of.
Particularly in case of the contingency coefficient, that is based upon the chi-square. Phi coefficient also based upon the chi-square. I'm not sure about the Cramer's V. But here it is written, these measures help determine the degree of association beyond the statistical significance. What is this is not clear. Farah?
Yes, sir, this was the analysis of data, sir. I think by doing this thing, they will understand.
Yeah, please you remove this line.
Okay, sir. By
Data visualization, visualizing cross-tabulated data can aid in interpreting the results. Bar chart, stack bar chart, or heat maps are commonly used to display the frequencies or percentages of each category and highlight and patterns or trends. Okay. Now go to the next one.
this is the stack bunch.
Stack.
This is called the stack bar chart. So there is a data frame and male covers 150, another one 300. Female covers 120 and 200. Then the data
So
M.
data M तो matrix में convert किया है sir. So
Okay,
that is
then
why data M.
as matrix bracket data G. So data G
Gender
is
data.
the
Gender data, sir.
initial data.
Yes, sir.
After that, you are using the bar plot. Okay, so this matrix that will be here. This male and female and the data G and the data M, both are same because the data G is the data frame and data frame has been converted into matrix. So the data is the same. And after that, you have written bar plot. If you write down bar plot, then you will get
This thing.
that is how many male and how many female in the total distribution. So 150 and 300. That is the total data of the male. Out of that, 150 is the rate. And rest of them is the another part. So total and the female is 120. That is the rate. And 200 is the another part. So this is called the stack bar chart. That means in case of the stack bar chart, you will get that is the number of people out of the total distribution.
So she can try in the R studio. This thing.
Yeah, you can write down.
Okay.
Hello, Kobita.
Yes, sir.
You can write down this thing in your art studio. You can share your art studio and you can write it.
Kavita, do you want to practice this thing now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
So please you share. Yeah, now you write down what Farah has written.
say if
data.
it,
Farah, please guide.
yes, sir. Kavita, you first write male equal to C. Then bracket 150. 150, Kavita. 0 is also there. 150.
150. Yes, yes.
Then comma 300. Oh, I am unable to.
Then enter, Naki.
Enter.
Enter. Then female.
Okay. Yes, Kavita. Okay. Female then equal to Then C. Equal to C. 120. Bracket 120. Good. Comma 200. Now enter. Now write data G. Data G. Equal to data dot frame. Bracket male female.
Comma. Male. Comma.
Male comma female. Now enter. Now write data M equal to AS.
AF.
S for student. Dot matrix. Bracket data G. Enter. Now write bar plot. Enter. Oh, sorry, bar plot bracket. Sorry, not enter. Bracket. Now write data M, comma, COL equal to C, then bracket, double, नहीं, bracket C के बाद not comma, C के बाद bracket, a double inverted comma red,
Comma.
red, RED, then double inverted comma के बाद एक comma, red, इसके बाद एक comma, then double inverted comma green, now enter, and अभी enter, you got it, good. Now you please save this, do you know how to save this data? You know what is green, what is red?
Green means among the male 300. 300.
मेल साइड का above 300, या मतलब हाईएस्ट वो जो हाईएस्ट है कैटेगरी में, मेल की कैटेगरी में हाईएस्ट कैटेगरी वाला डेटा इज ग्रीन and lowest category data
female in the upper portion, the greatest portion is shows, and then lower portion the female in case of male and in case of
correct. So in this way you have to interpret the figure. Okay, and this is called data visualization. Okay,
yes.
So now you write Q and save your data. Q bracket Q bracket.
Enter.
No. Remove it. Erase it. And now write Q. Bracket, enter, Y.
1.
Y for yes. Enter. Done. Okay. So, sir, in the next class, we will discuss about non-parametric. I think, sir, they know the non-parametric already. So now, if they want to see the Pearson, we will do it, sir, tomorrow. The R script part.
Okay.
Yes, sir, because we have explained it in the third chapter. What is non-parametric statistics? Now we will do it in the R script.
Okay.
Sir, in the next class, right, sir? Because we have meeting at 9.
Oh, we have the class at
Yes,
9.
sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you,
Oh,
Kavita.
thank you, Kapita. Thanks a
Right,
lot.
sir.
It is
Thank
clear
you.
to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Kapita. So we can close the session, sir. I mean, we can close the recording, sir. We can stop the recording.